Is the Swarous knee booster the real deal or just another clever marketing trick aimed at people suffering from chronic knee pain and mobility issues? On the surface, this device looks like a promising solution. Sold on swarous.com, the product claims to reduce knee pain, enhance mobility, and relieve joint pressure through its unique spring-loaded design. It's marketed almost like a medical breakthrough, something that could genuinely change lives, but when you start looking beyond the flashy claims, a very different picture begins to emerge. First, there's a glaring lack of transparency. The website's About Us page contains no real company background, no physical address, no team info, nothing that builds trust. And for a product that makes bold health claims, there's not a single mention of any medical certifications, clinical trials, or studies to support them. This is a serious red flag, especially when you're dealing with something that impacts physical health. Experts like those from the Cleveland Clinic actually warn that knee braces, if used improperly or without professional guidance, can do more harm than good by weakening the surrounding muscles, leading to further joint instability in the long run. Then there's the overall feel of the swarous.com website, which leans heavily into classic high-pressure sales tactics. From aggressive pop-ups to fake countdown timers urging you to buy now before the offer expires, everything about the user experience feels manipulative rather than professional. On top of that, there's a complete absence of real customer feedback. Their site has 0 reviews from verified buyers. And when we checked platforms like Trustpilot, there was absolutely nothing, no praise, no complaints, just silence. Even the Amazon listing, which you'd expect to have some user insights, only features 2 anonymous 5-star ratings with no written reviews to explain those ratings. That raises even more doubts. So what are we left with? A knee support product that makes impressive promises but provides no credible proof, no customer transparency, no medical backing, and questionable marketing tactics. While this doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, it certainly doesn't inspire confidence either. If you're genuinely dealing with knee problems, it might be wiser to consult a medical professional and invest in proven, reputable solutions rather than gamble on a product surrounded by so many unanswered questions.